दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, अगर आप इंग्लिश में फ्लुएंट बनना चाहते हैं तो डेली स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। और अब तक की वीडियोस में मैं आपके साथ बहुत सारे अलग अलग स्पीकिंग टॉपिक शेयर कर चुकी हूँ। तो एक बार फिर से हाजिर हूँ आप लोगों के सामने एक और मज़ेदार टॉपिक लेकर। आप लोग सोशल मीडिया तो ज़रूर यूज़ करते होंगे या फिर आप यूट्यूबर्स को ज़रूर फॉलो करते होंगे। तो गाइज, आप जिस किसी भी इन्फ्लुएंसर को आप फॉलो करते हैं, आप उनके बारे में जो कुछ भी जानते हैं, उनकी लाइफ के बारे में आप वो सारी चीज़ें इंग्लिश में शेयर कर सकते हैं। आप जिसे भी फॉलो करते हैं, आप उनके बारे में जो कुछ भी जानते हैं, छोटी से छोटी डिटेल लेकर बड़ी से बड़ी चीज़ें, आप वो सारी चीज़ें इंग्लिश में शेयर कर सकते हैं। इससे आपको स्पीकिंग के लिए एक कंटेंट मिल जाएगा और आपकी स्पीकिंग की भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे मैं आचार्य प्रशांत जी को फॉलो करती हूँ, तो आज मैं आपको बताऊँगी कि कैसे आप किसी के भी बारे में इंग्लिश में जो कुछ भी जानते हैं उसे शेयर कर सकते हैं। बट बिफोर दैट, अगर अब तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें एंड मेक श्योर टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द हैरी सर अकेडमी। दिस इज अमिता एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट आचार्य प्रशांत। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आचार्य प्रशांत is a spiritual teacher, philosopher and animal rights activist. He is also the founder of Prashant Advait Foundation. His real name is Prashant Tripathi and he was born in 1978 on the auspicious day of Mahashivratri in UP. There were 5 members in his family: he, his parents and 2 of his siblings, and he is the eldest among his siblings. His father was a bureaucrat and his mother was a homemaker. Acharya Prashant spent his childhood in UP. So Acharya Prashant was such a brilliant and talented student. He consistently topped in class and got lots of medal and prize. And due to good academic performance of her child, his mother got the title of Mother Queen multiple times. And the teachers would say that they had never seen such a brilliant student who is as proficient in Hindi language as in English, as good at maths as in languages, and as good as humanities as in science. When Acharya Prashant was in class 10th, he got first rank in ICSE board among 50,000 candidates. So Acharya Prashant was a voracious reader since the age of 5. Means he used to love to read books, and his father had a big library, and there were lots of literature, scriptures, including Upanishad. So Acharya Prashant used to read all of those scriptures, and sometimes he was so lost in reading that he used to forget to sleep and take food. And till the age of 10, he read almost everything from his father's library, and he started asking for more and more books. And at the age of 11, he started composing poem. So he started composing mysterious poems. So the meaning of those poems were very deep, and he used to ask very deep questions to the readers. And many of the people were not able to understand that what Acharya ji is trying to say. And later he got admission in IIT Delhi, and during engineering he was good in academics, and he spent his lots of time in understanding people and their problem. And he was also deeply involved in student politics, and he was very famous in his campus, and he was a very trustworthy student leader. And after completing his graduation from IIT Delhi, next year he cracked UPSC and CAT in the same year. But he did not wanted to go for civil services. Rather, he chose to go to IIM Ahmedabad. So he chose to go to IIM Ahmedabad over civil services. So he went there, and in those 2 years again he was very good in academics, and he never used to run behind placement and marks. So in those 2 years he used to teach students in a non-profit organization which was near the Gandhi Ashram. So he used to teach the student there, and side by side he also used to teach maths to the graduates to earn some money to run that NGO. So after completing his education, Acharya Prashant worked in a corporate world. So he worked there for 3 to 4 years, and after that he bid goodbye to corporate world for forever. And at the age of 28, he founded Advait Life Education, and currently the organization is running a YouTube channel which has 4.38 crore subscribers till now. And guys, the main purpose of running this YouTube channel is to make people aware, to show them right path and to guide them. So Acharya Prashant talk about each and every aspect of life, like education, unemployment, global warming, climate change, women empowerment, marriage and veganism and many more. He also talk on Bhagavad Gita. He is a genuine spiritual master and he try to make people understand the real meaning of scripture, Bhagavad Gita and the saying of saints. And currently lots of people are getting benefit from Acharya Prashant's session, and the organization has published lots of books like Dar, Vidyarthi Jeevan, Istri, Prem Seekhna Padta Hai and many more. So guys, if you are looking for a good mentor for yourself, then you must visit their channel. I personally have learned lots of things from him. So guys, that's all about Acharya Prashant. तो गाइज आप भी सेम इस तरीके से, अगर आप किसी को भी फॉलो करते हैं, आप भी उनके बारे में इस तरीके से बता सकते हैं. इससे आपको स्पीकिंग के लिए कंटेंट भी मिल जाएगा, आपकी स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी और आपकी इंग्लिश भी इम्प्रूव होगी. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपने इस वीडियो से कुछ भी सीखा है, देन डू लेट अस नो इन कमेंट सेक्शन. वी विल डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई.